Dear viewers, we have the one more problem from applications of derivative. If the increase in the side of square is 4%, then find the approximate percentage of increase in the area of square. Okay, here side increase is given, that is 4%. Side increase of side is given 4% in a square. Then we have to find percentage of increase in the square. Okay, all of you. So how to find? You see here, let side of square be x. Then what is area? Area is equal to x into x is equal to x square. X square. So x square units. Square units. Square units. Okay, all of you. Then after, this is A. Then after, side of square increase 4% is equal to 4 by 100 into x. This is 1 by 25x. Then what is side? New side. Side is equal to x plus 1 by 25x is equal to 26 by 25x. So increased side. So side changes to 26 by 25x. Okay. Then what is the new area? Area is equal to, that is 26 by 25x into 26 by 25x is equal to 676 by 625x square. So increased area. So increased area is equal to A1 minus A, that is 676 by 625x square minus x square is equal to 676 minus 625. 676 minus 625, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 51 equal to 51 by 625 x square is the increased. So increased percentage of increased is equal to increased 51 by 625 x square by here what is the first to this one, x square into 100. X square cancel. 51 by 625 into 100. 25 25 is 25 4. So what? 4 1 is 4. 4 5 is 20 by 204 by 25 is equal to, or you take here 51 by 25. 51 by 25. 25 to the 50. 1.000. 25 4. So this is 2.04 into 4. 4 4 is 16 and 4 to the 8. 8.16% is the increased percentage of area. When 4% of 4% side increased, then total area increased as 8.16%. Okay, all of you. Thank you. Here we have one more problem from applications of derivative similar to previous. If the increase in the side of square is 2%, then the approximate percentage of increase in the area of square. So you say you take side B x, then what is the area? Area is equal to x square. Increased percent 2%. Increased percentage equal to 2%. 2 by 100. 2 by 100 into x. This is 50. So x by 50 is the increased percent. Then after you can increased side is equal to x plus x by 50 you can find. Then after you can do similar problems, like similar problems, previous problems you can do like previous problem. That's all. You can do yourself this problem. Try yourself. Okay, all of you. Thank you. Here we have one more problem from applications of derivative for IP. If the radius of sphere is increased from 7 centimeter to 7.02 centimeters, then find the approximate increase in the volume of sphere. So you see here we have given radius of sphere is equal to r is equal to 7 centimeters is given first. So what is the volume? Volume of sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the sphere. So what is the first volume? V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into r cube, 7 cube, is equal to, what is 4 by 3 here? 4 by 3. 4, 3 1 ja, 3, 1.0, 3 3 ja, 9, 1.03, 1.33. 1.33 into what is pi value? That is 3.14. What is 7 cube? 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. This is 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 49 into 7. 7 9 ja 27. Sorry. 7 9 ja 63. 3 6. 7 4 ja 28 plus 634. 343. So 343. Okay, all of you. Then you can multiply these two. 1.33, 1.33. 3.14 into 1.33. 3 4 ja 12. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4. 3 3 ja 9. So this is 249 again. 4 1 3 again. 2 6 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 17 1. 9 10 11 1 4. This is 4.1762. 4.1762. You can adjust for 2 digits. This is 4.18. 4.18. This is 343 is equal to, this is 4.18. 4.18 into 343. 343. 3 8 ja 24. 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5. 3 4 ja 12. Again 4 8 ja 4 8 ja 32. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 7. 4 4 ja 16. Again this is 4 5 2 1. This is 4 7 7 plus 4 11 plus 2 13 1 6 7 8 plus 5 8 plus 5 13 1 2 4 1 144.1 1433.74 1433.74 cube centimeters. This is in centimeters. Centimeter cube. Okay, all of you. What is the value of V? V is equal to 1433.74 centimeter cube. Then after, here we have radius is increased from 7 centimeter to 7.02 centimeter. Then what is the volume of increase? V1 is equal to 4 by 3rd pi R1 cube. So this is equal to 4 by third into pi into r1 cube, 7.02 whole cube. This is 1.33 into 3.14 into 7.02 into 7.02 into 7.02. This is multiplication of this 1448.37. Okay, all of you. Then this is the V1. What is the increased? Increased volume. Increased volume. Increased volume is equal to V1 minus V. This is 1448.37 minus 1433.74 is equal to, so 1448.37, 1433.74. Here 17 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3. Here 13 minus 7, 6. Okay. Here uh, this is 7 minus 3, 4, 4, 7 minus 3, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. 14.63. 14.63 cubic centimeter cube or centimeter cube is the increased volume of the sphere when radius changes to 7 centimeter to 7.02 centimeter. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have one more problem from applications of derivative for IP. If y is equal to f of x is equal to k x power n, show that the relative error in y is n times the relative error in x, where n and k are constants. So you see here we have y is equal to f of x is equal to k into x power n. So y is equal to k into x power n. Take logger on both sides. Log y is equal to log k x power n. So this is log y is equal to, this is log k plus log x power n. So log y is equal to log k plus n into log x. By differentiation, delta y by delta x is equal to, this is the constant, n into, this is delta x by, this is y, delta x by x, delta x by x. What is the relative error? That is delta y by delta x, delta y by y into 100 is equal to n into delta x by x into 100 is the relative error in y in x. Okay, all of you. This is the relation between these two. Relative error in x. Relative error in y is n times relative error in x. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one more problem from application of derivative for IP. The diameter of sphere is measured to be 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. If an error of 0.02 centimeter is made in it, then find approximate error in volume and surface area of the sphere. What is the volume of the sphere? Here volume V is equal to 4 by third pi r cube. So you can write dV by, so here given diameter d is equal to what? R by 2. So d is equal to R by 2. No, sorry. Here R is equal to what? D is equal to 2r, 2r, and r is equal to d by 2. Okay, all of you, v is equal to 4 by third pi into d by 2 whole cube. So v is equal to 4 by third pi d cube by 8. 4 to the. So v is equal to pi by 6 into d cube. So here this is differentiate with respect to d. So d, you take this as capital D, capital D, capital D, capital D, and this as capital D. With respect to diameter, differentiate with respect to diameter equal to pi by 6 into 3d square. Then here we have given d, error in diameter 0.02, and d is equal to given 40 centimeter. Then dv is equal to error in volume is equal to pi by 6 into 3d square into error in diameter. dv is equal to 3 to the here, 3 to the pi by 2 into d square, 40 square into error in diameter given 0.02, this one 0.01. Then dv is equal to pi into 1600 into 0.01. 2 zeros, this one cancel, equal to, what is the value? 16 pi centimeter cube is the error in volume. Is the error in volume. Okay, all of you, that's all. Then we have to find surface area. Error in surface area. Surface area. So surface area A is equal to 4 pi r square, but d is equal to 2r, r is equal to d by 2. Then A is equal to 4 pi into d by 2 whole square. A is equal to 4 pi into d square by 4. 4 cancel. A is equal to pi into d square. Okay, all of you. Then dA by d is equal to pi into 2d. Then dA is equal to pi into 2d into d. Error in, but here d is equal to error in this, error in diameter 0.02 centimeter, d is equal to 40 centimeter. Then dA is equal to error in surface area is equal to pi into 2 into 40 into 0.02. So what? Here this is, here this one pi, this is 2 to the 6, 4 into 4, 16. So 0, 1 point cut, that is 1.6 pi centimeter square is the error in this area, surface area of the sphere. Error in surface area of the sphere 1.6 pi centimeter square. Okay, all of you, that's all. One more problem from applications of derivative for IPE. The time t of a complete oscillation of a simple pendulum of length L is given by the equation t is equal to 2 pi square root of L by g, where g is a constant, gravitational constant. Find the approximate percentage error in t when the percentage error in L is 1%. Okay, all of you. Here, what we have given. T is the complete oscillation of a simple pendulum. So, the relation between T and L, T is equal to, this is 2 pi square root of L by G is given. We have to find, here G is a constant, 2 pi is a constant. We have to find percentage error in T and percentage error in L is given. Percentage error in L is delta L by L into 100 is equal to 1 is given. We have to find delta T by T into 100 is equal to what? Okay, all of you. Then you take, this is log T is equal to, this is log of 2 pi square root of L by G. So, this is log T is equal to log 2 pi plus log root over L by G. Log T is equal to, this is log 2 pi plus 1 by 2 of log L minus log G. Okay, all of you. Here you can differentiate on both sides. Log T differentiation delta T by T is equal to, this is the constant differentiation 0, 1 by 2 into this log L differentiation 1 by 2 into delta L by L. Here log G differentiation 0. So delta T by T into 100 is equal to 1 by 2 into delta L by L into 100. What is the value of this one? This is the 1% is equal to 1 by 2 into 1% is equal to 1% is equal to 1 by 2. So here percentage error in T is 1 by 2%. Okay, all of you. Percentage error in T is 1 by 2%. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one of the problem from applications of derivative. Find delta y and dy. If y is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 6, when x is equal to 2, delta x is equal to 0.001. Okay, all of you. Here we have given x is equal to 2 and delta x is equal to 0.001, y is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to f of x. This is okay, all of you. Then we here given delta, here we have to find delta y is equal to what? Dy is equal to what? Delta x is equal to y1 minus y. y1 minus y. Okay, here delta x is equal to, this is, sorry, delta x is equal to x1 minus x, and delta x is equal to 0.001 is equal to, what is x1? We have to find, minus what is x2, implies x1 is equal to 2.001. This is the x1 value. Here delta x, delta y is equal to y1 minus y. Delta y is equal to, what is y1? 5x1 square plus 6x1 plus 6 minus, what is y? 5x square plus 6x plus 6. So delta y equal to, this is 5 of x1 square minus x square plus 6 of x1 minus x plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Delta y is equal to, a square minus b square, x1 plus x into x1 minus x plus 6 of x1 minus x. Okay, all of you. Then after delta y is equal to, these two have x1 minus x common, into 5 into x1 plus x plus 6 is there. So delta y is equal to, what is x1 minus x? Is the delta x 0.001. 0.001 into 5 into x1 plus x2. Here we have to find x1 plus x2. What is x1? 2.001. 2.001 plus 6. Okay, all of you. Delta y is equal to 0.001 into, this is 5 1 ja 5, 0 0.52 ja 10 plus 6. This is delta y is equal to 0.001 into, this is 16.005. Multiply this one. This is 16.0005 into this one. So totally 3, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is equal, this is 5, 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0.016 is the 16 is the approximate value. That is the delta y. Okay, all of you. Then after we have to find dy. Here we have to find dy. Dy is equal to, here y is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 6. So dy is equal to what? Dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. 5 into 5x square derivative 2x. This is 10x plus 6 by cross multiplication. Dy equal to 10x plus 6 into dx. But dx nothing but delta x. So delta x is given 0.001. So dy is equal to, this is 10x plus 6 into delta x. Okay, all of you. So here x is equal to what? X is equal to 2 and delta x is equal to 0.001 equal to delta x. Dy is equal to 10 into 2 plus 6 of 0.001. This is equal to 20 plus 6, 26 into 0.001 is equal to 0.026 is the 0.026 is the dy, and here delta y is also 0.026. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one question. Find the relative error and percentage error of variable y. You see here y is equal to f of x. So x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. So x belongs to a. X belongs to a. Then here y belongs to f of x. Okay, all of you. Then after, you see all of you, x belongs to a, and here the relative error, change in x is delta x, change in y is delta y. First one, relative error is delta y by y is relative error. And second one, delta y by y into 100 is percentage error. Percentage error. Okay, all of you. This is the relative error and this is the percentage error of variable y. That's all.